Meaning of defoliation.
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 Defoliation. Defoliation refers to the process of removing leaves from a plant or tree. This can occur naturally due to insects, disease, or environmental stress, but it can also be intentionally induced through pruning or chemical application. The result of defoliation is that the plant or tree loses its ability to photosynthesize and grow. This can lead to reduced yields, stunted growth, and even death in severe cases. Defoliation can also have negative impacts on ecosystems and wildlife habitats, as it can disrupt food chains and alter the balance of species interactions.